Okay, we're looking at mixed exercise 11 from the first year textbook, and we're on vectors, and we're looking at question 5. So it's an exam question, and only 3 marks, so hopefully nothing too bad. It's also problem solving, so we've got to think a bit carefully about our method. Okay, and then this one's about parallel vectors. So if they are parallel, then they are multiples of each other. So for example, A and 2a and 3a and a half a are all parallel. A plus b would be parallel to 2a plus 2b, but would not be parallel to 3a plus 5b, for example, because obviously that this is not a multiple of this. The a has been multiplied by 3 and the b has been multiplied by 5. So if we look at the ones that they've given us, so 5a plus kb is parallel to 8a plus 2b. So it's the a vector I can look at to decide the scale factor. So looking at just these brief examples I put here, you can just look at that and see, well, look, that 2a plus 2b has been multiplied through by 2. So if we look at these, obviously this does not have an integer scale factor. So the scale factor is from this one to this one is 8/5. Yep, so if I do 8 divided by 5, so that must mean, looking at the b vectors, that k gets multiplied by 8/5, it should give me 2. You might have gone the other way and looked at the scale factor from this one to this one, and then that would have been 5/8, and then you would have done 2 multiplied by 5/8, which is the equivalent of what I'm going to get. So k, I'm going to multiply by the 5 and divide by the 8, so I get k is 10/8 or 5/4. So we'll just quickly check that. Yeah, 1.25, that's the equivalent.